Well, what a day. My sister, learned sister, Senior Counsel Mother Karua, my brother, actually real brother, Gideon Moi, my brother Cyrus, the hurricane, Cyrus. And I referred you to Psalms 45. I hope you internalize that. Isaiah 45, I beg your pardon. Our brother Irungu Nyakera and David Ocheng, who has just stepped out to attend to his NDC. Party leaders who are here. My own deputy is here, Farah Maalim. Our party chair, Ambassador Makwere, Party Secretary General Shakila, and all the others representing the sister parties, and members of parliament, serious Kenyans, ladies and gentlemen. I will be very brief because it has all been said. But allow me to paraphrase this because Gideon laid a trap for me. Actually, the actual story was that I found mother looking for an earring. And the truth is, it was that the two of them were in that room. At least before I came. So I hope mother has been able to find that ring. That's with a light touch. You see the spirit of comradeship between us as OKA principals. We are that free with each other. And this is why we want this country to relax. Mzee Kibaki would tell Kenyans, relax. This is the time to tell Kenyans to relax. And yet, there are important matters that must be dealt with. So I congratulate all of us in Kenya, One Kenya Alliance, for setting and really being the trailblazers. I believe soon after this, the legal team will be moving with speed to register the first coalition agreement before August. First serious coalition agreement. And we have made it very clear, I can speak on behalf of Wiper, and I know my brothers and sisters have done the same, that we have had serious introspection, serious debate with regard to the prevailing political situation in our country. And we have no doubt in our minds that this country is more important than any of us. And we have made sacrifices before. We are ready to make more sacrifices. But we also expect the Kenyans will know that no individual is indispensable. And we must plan the succession politics of this country. We have made it very clear when I was invited to attend the Delegates Congress of Jubilee. And now they are also, I think, following suit, forming their own coalition. And we talked of the three-legged Africans too. That wisdom was informed by serious negotiations. And that's why we have also really stressed structured dialogue. The story therefore may not end here because I'll talk about like-minded political formations. So let's prepare Kenyans for a real Arsenal formation. I normally support Arsenal, although I'm actually a patron sofa packer, but Dr. Bamungu here at home. And we're going to have to form one juggernaut. We talked about the possibility of a grand coalition. But we have our coalition here, and we are set. If others don't want to engage, we are ready to go to the wire. Yeah. Correct? We are set. I think after this, nothing stops us. If we find that people are intolerant, people don't want to listen to others, we are set with the instruments. But we are ready also to have dialogue. Therefore, it's been very clear to us by us attending the Jubilee Delegates Congress, we are very clear And the reasons why some of us did not attend the Delegates Congress for our other friends in ODM, we made those reasons very clear, abundantly clear. And I'm happy that nobody from the media these days is saying Kalonzo Musyoka is the world's greatest fool. You know, people are actually saying, let us go and veil the world's greatest fool, because I once used those words. I've been able to explain why I could have ended up being such. But now my chest is clear, very clear, and Kenyans now know the leaders need to be held to account. We have signed here. These are important signatures witnessed by senior leadership of our respective parties. If we go out there, throw everything to the dogs, I don't think we'll be doing justice to ourselves. Having said that, today is a very happy day. And we are set. You know, eventually the media caught up with my brother Gideon when he used to say, Kichwa pandehi, na mwili pandehi. We are a team that is intolerant to corruption. Absolutely. And we want Kenyans to take us as such. Our brothers in Kano were able to launch their manifesto. I'm quite sure that OKA manifesto is almost ready, and we can borrow from best examples. For example, Kano did stress the need for free secondary education. And this, we believe, is indeed a common factor within OKA. So one Kenya allows unity of purpose, unity of all Kenyans. And I loved it when my sister mother said, long live OKA and long live Kenya. Because that's where we are going. Therefore, you can be sure the three-legged stool, I believe the strongest leg is going to be OKA as we move forward. And so with those remarks, I really just want to congratulate all of us for a very important decision going to the future. We are more confident than ever before. The naysayers have been proved wrong in real time. Because even today, look at the papers. Hey, it's like everybody wakes up and it's Kalonzo. It's Kalonzo. Now I say, why don't you talk about Gideon? Who is here now? There's even Nyakera, there's Mother, there's Cyrus. And now David Ocheng has come on board. Jimmy Kibaki came to see us yesterday. He's consulting, and next week, New Democrats will be joining OKA. So we are moving. We are moving and growing in leaps and bounds. Some others say, oh, you know, now if they don't see Mother today, they say OKA collapses. They see Gideon, I don't know Gideon. It's Gideon they really seem to like. If they don't hit at Gideon, they look for me. But then we are there. Because when Gideon attended a function in Samburu, all manner of predictions and other things. And yet we are here. We congratulate Lesuda, our sister, I don't know if she's in the room, a strong member of KANU. And we always consult. We consult and say, move, and then move in this direction. So we are set. And you're going to see a lot of activities taking place. When they do, it is because our respective parties have taken the decisions to move in that direction. So one Kenya, one people, one people, one Kenya. Asanteni. Mungu awabariki sana. Thank you.